Morning. I'd like to show you how to get into the correct posture before we begin any meditation. Two things to be aware of, actually three. The first is you want to make sure your knees are lower than your hips. If your knees are up here, excuse me, watch out, you got to go around to the back, my love. If your knees are up here, you won't get a straight spine, you're going to be slouched. But if your knees are down, that allows you to project upward properly and have a little bit of a curve in your lower back. That's super important. Reach down and in your pants and bring one cheek up and then the other cheek up, and then that way you have tilted your pelvis forward even more and it's much more comfortable, and then you're really sitting on your sit bones rather than an area of your butt that isn't going to give you that optimum strength and stamina that you need in a meditation. So you have your knees lower than your hips, your butt cheeks up, and the third thing is the positioning of your feet. There's a couple of ways that you can do this. You can do it so that you have your heels lined up, something like this. It's very comfortable, and it's good to switch every now and then, right? In between sides of breaths or whatever it is that we're doing, remember to switch so you're balancing both hemispheres of the body. And then another way to get comfortable is to pop your foot in here. And then this other foot is supporting your upper foot. And that will also give you a really nice straight spine. So it's your choice. I switch all the time. I'm always going between these four options because it just is a great way to keep my body balanced. And if you have any questions or comments or anything that you'd like to share, please leave your comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already and like the page. And I can't wait to see you again next week.